Jeep was our beginning. So Bill worked for a Jeep dealership for 17 years, and when the dealership ended up closing up, he came home. He was a service advisor. He started as actually a car washer, moved into the parts department, parts driver, then he kept begging for a job as a technician because he always had worked on cars, and got a job as a technician, evolved into service advisor and service manager. So it was just, he saw the whole gamut of the business. When the doors closed, we had customers calling our house wanting to know where he had gone to, because he had built such a rapport with them and that was back when you could look somebody's phone up in the yellow or the white pages, So that was kind of what inspired us to start this business. He didn't have a paycheck at that point, didn't have the insurance anymore, so it's like, you know what, let's do it. It was kind of the shove that we needed to get started.
We got started in 2002 after the dealership I worked at for 17 years closed down. I was able to get a customer list from that dealer, all the customers I'd helped for the 17 years, and reached out to them. And they, pretty much I had an instant business at that point.
We are a family business. We are hands-on, very small company that provides personal care and service. We like building friendships with our customers and enjoy the interaction of conversation and learning about their families, and we have a lot of customers that have come to us for many years just because we have built that rapport with them.
Yeah, well, I've been in the business. I mean, 18 years here, 17 years at the dealer, so that's 35 years, and yeah, I still have a lot of customers from the dealer from 35 years ago.
Our approach to everything is we want to treat you like your family, and we love our family and we love our customers. Without our customers, we wouldn't be here. So
I am not going to sell you anything that you don't need. The people I employ, I won't employ anybody that is going to try and sell you something you don't need. They don't belong here. And I'm not saying that there aren't other good shops out there that do the same thing. I'm sure there are. But I know there's a lot of shops that aren't that way, because we get customers in all the time from different shops that are not being treated properly. So I mean, that's the biggest thing I can stress, is that I can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars by not selling you whatever you don't need, basically.
Trust in our business is extremely important to us, and that's why, the technicians that we have, when we find good ones, we hang on to them. If we get somebody in, we know pretty quickly whether they're going to follow our motto and our way of doing things.
Just a good family operation, and I'm very pleased to do business with them.
The technicians that we have here right now have been here for, over 2-3 years. Charlie's been with us since the very beginning, so which is now going on 18 years that we've been in business.
We've pretty much built this place on honesty. It's a great place to be at and work. Yeah, I mean, they've taken care of me for years, and I've taken care of them for years, so we get along just like family.
It's a great place to work. It's a small, family-owned business, and we're honest and treat the customers right, and it's a great shop to work at.
Man, I wish you could ask the customers, because they can tell you how Bill is about honesty. Like, he's not gonna sell you anything that you really don't need.
I'm always confident that the costs are reasonable, that are not, I don't ever feel like anything's been inflated or that I'm overpaying for anything. I get, it's a fair cost for quality work.
We work on like brand new cars, on everything, from tearing apart to simple stuff, from brake to start, like complete rebuilding the engine pretty much.
So the services we provide, first and foremost, are personal care. We want to build that relationship, as I said. So we are honest. We provide, I mean, the basics as far as a clean, nice waiting room and, you know, internet service and, you know, all of that stuff. But ultimately, it's the personal relationship that I feel is the top of our priority in service, and making sure things are done correctly.